How to add a payment card on Booking.com. If you frequently travel and stay in hotels or other accommodations using the Booking platform, adding a payment card to your profile can be very useful. The Booking.com mobile application offers this option. Save time and effort. I will show you how to add a payment card. Open the Booking app and access your profile. Select Manage Your Account. The option we need is within the Payment Details section. Click on these settings. Click the Add Card button. Now we've come to the part where we enter the information found on your card. There are various types of these cards. Cards can be credit card, debit card, and prepaid card. The most well-known are Visa and MasterCard. Payment cards are widely used for various transactions, including online shopping, in-store purchases, bill payments, accommodation payments, and more. In the first field, enter the exact name and surname as they appear on the card. I'll enter some text for demonstration purposes. In the card number field, enter the number found on the card. So, here you will enter the card number, not your account number. Below or next to this card number is the expiration date of your card. Enter that date as well. Double-check all the information. If you have entered the details correctly, the Save Card button will be unlocked, and you can save your card. Once you save the card, you can book your accommodation much easier and faster through this app. Be sure to keep your card information secure. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.